Welcome to Villa Travertino. Today, we're doing something a little bit different. We're going away from these beautiful modern homes to something more palatial, something more Andalusian. And wait till you see what's inside. Come, follow me. So as we enter this palace, this Andalusian mansion, the first thing we see is these high ceilings, these vaulted ceilings, this incredible chandelier. And right in the middle, almost as if it's framed like an artwork, you have this Andalusian patio. But true to its name, this house is called Villa Travertino. Now, for those of you who don't know what Travertino is, it's the most exclusive marble you can get. And what makes it so special is it's all imported from Italy. Now, this house also features underfloor heating throughout. Everything is controlled by a domotic system, and every corner of this house feels like something special. It's a palace, it's a home, it's a mansion. So now we enter the living area. The house is set over 2,200 square meters, which is a pretty big house, but you still get a feel like it's a home. But every corner, every cove, every light, everything, including the beautiful views, has been thought of meticulously. It's luxury, it's chic, but it's also a home. And that's rare for a house this big. It's special. So when it comes to entertaining, friends, family, whatever, you have no shortage of amazing spaces in this house. You have a massive kitchen with a huge island and the best appliances you could possibly have. But if you want to entertain your guests outside, because of course we're in Spain and we have the weather for it, I've got something very special to show you. Come with me. So being on the Costa del Sol, which has 320 sunny days a year, in case you didn't know, we really want to be outside. That's the point of being here, and there's so much space to enjoy out here. But what makes this garden so special is that, yes, it's maturing, yes, it's tropical, it's huge, it's set over 5,000 square meters, but it's so private. Hear that? Nothing. And no one can see in, and it's your own space. But before we start to think that this is some palace tucked up in the mountains, you'd be wrong. It's only 100 meters from the beach. It's only a 5-minute walk to a golf club, a golf course that's on the beach itself, 5 minutes to Puerto Banus, 7 minutes to Marbella, and walking distance to shops and restaurants. And yet another feature of the house, this Japanese garden with these giant bonsai trees. It's like a really zen place to be. Every masterpiece needs a master bedroom, and this does not disappoint. Huge vaulted ceilings, lovely, spacious, airy and bright room, but also parquet floors. And what I love is all the light and this amazing terrace that allows you to look over the mature, lush gardens. A master suite not only features one walk-in closet, but actually two. His and hers. And now, as always, my favorite part of any great mansion, which is the basement. So we start off with the games room and this huge billiard table. I could imagine there'd be a great space here for a bar, but you have so many great spaces to entertain your friends and family and guests. But let me show you something else. This amazing wine cellar that unfortunately is empty at the moment, but I'm sure you can fill it. And by far my favorite room in the house, the spa. And when I say spa, I mean a spa to rival most 5-star hotels. A huge jacuzzi, I'd say at least 4 people. You have a sauna, a steam room, 2 showers, and this chill-out room with a heated, tiled chaiselong and an ice maker. I think it's a pretty safe bet to say it's a good place to chill out. And how about a home cinema? It really is a palace, but it's also a home.